Guys, we are so happy to welcome you to our channel. Today we will talk about the TikTok application and I will show you how to pin the selected video on your account on the first place. So guys, let's check our video to the very end. Right now we are on the profile page on our TikTok account and let's click on the video we want to pin at the first one. Later, we need to click on the three dots icon and click on the pin option. Let's go to the profile and refresh it. As you can check, the selected video was successfully pinned on the first place. And if you want to unpin it, let's click on the same three dots icon and click on the unpin. Refresh. Refresh it again. And well done guys, as you can see the video was successfully unpinned. Don't forget about likes guys, because this short tutorial I sure will be very useful for a lot of people, and check other guides on our YouTube channel to find even more cool tricks about the TikTok and other secret options of the apps. So good luck guys, goodbye!